Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about one vichar. Uh, in this chapter we are going to learn about swar and vyanjan, and I will divide this chapter in two parts. In the first part we'll learn about swar vyanjan, swar one, and in the second video which I'll make later and upload it, in that we'll learn about vyanjan. सो लेट्स सी। हम जब भी कुछ बोलते हैं तो हमारे मुख से ध्वनियाँ निकलती हैं। हम जब भी कुछ बोलते हैं, वेन एवर वी स्पीक एनीथिंग, हमारे मुख से, मुख मीन्स माउथ, ध्वनियाँ मीन्स साउंड, some sounds come from our mouth whenever we say anything. उन ध्वनियों को लिखने के लिए कुछ चिन्ह बनाए गए हैं। उन साउंड्स को, वट एवर वी से, हाउ विल वी नो दैट हाउ टू राइट इट? सो फॉर दैट सम पर्टिकुलर चिन्ह, मार्क्स, लेटर्स बनाए गए हैं। इन चिन्हों को वर्ण कहते हैं। इन्हें वर्ण कहा जाता है। वर्ण भाषा की सबसे छोटी इकाई है। वर्ण भाषा की सबसे छोटी लैंग्वेज, वॉट एवर द लैंग्वेज इज देयर, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, तमिल, तेलुगु, फ्रेंच, जर्मन, फॉर दैट लैंग्वेज देयर विल बी वर्ण, एंड दैट वर्ण विल बी द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट। सबसे छोटी, स्मॉलेस्ट, इकाई मीन्स यूनिट, द वेरी स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट. It means, what does the mean means, is smallest unit means you can't break that letter in more. इसके और अधिक टुकड़े नहीं किए जा सकते हैं. You can't divide it anymore. For example, suppose first we know this is a cat. This is a cat. In English, this is a sentence. Okay, it's a sentence. So is this sentence can be divided in four parts. One part is, this is a cat. So this is a cat. One sentence you have divided in four parts. In Hindi, एक वाक्य को आपने चार पार्ट में, फोर पार्ट्स में, चार भाग में डिवाइड किया, बांट दिया. सो वाक्य को बांटा जा सकता है. नाउ कमिंग टू, सपोज दिस इज वर्ड. ओके, this word is word, a is a word, cat is a word. Now can you divide this is? Yes, you can divide this is word in two parts. One part is I, one part is this I, and the second part is this S. So is can also be divided in two parts, I and S. But let's come to the, now come to the I, individual I. Okay, can you divide this I anymore? No, you can't divide it. Can you divide this S? No, you can't divide. So this I or S is the smallest unit in English language. Okay, this letter S is the smallest unit which you can't divide. You can divide this. You can divide this is a cat in four parts. You divided is in two parts, but you can't divide this as. Okay, so I hope it's clear. One more example I want to tell you, that suppose this is simply write cat. Okay, so again we can divide cat in three parts. 1, 2 and 3. You can divide cat in C, A and T, but you can't divide this C anymore. So this is the smallest unit. So भाषा की वह सबसे छोटी ध्वनि, the smallest sound, जिसके और टुकड़े नहीं किए जा सकते, you can't divide it anymore, उसे वर्ण कहते हैं. वर्ण को क्रम में रखा जाता है. क्रम मीन्स सीक्वेंस. दिस क्रम मीन्स सीक्वेंस. वर्ण को क्रम में रखा जाता है, सीक्वेंस में रखा जाता है. वर्ण के क्रमबद्ध समूह को वर्णमाला कहते हैं. वर्ण के क्रमबद्ध मीन्स सीक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर में जो ये अरेंज है, दिस विल नोन एज वर्णमाला. वर्णमाला. दिस अ आ ई उ री ए ओ. These 11 are स्वर व्यंजन and क ख ग घ अंग, च छ ज झ ञ, ट ठ ड ढ न, त थ द ध न, प फ ब भ म, य र ल व, तालव्य श, मूर्धन्य स, दंत स, ह. These are व्यंजन वर्ण. So hope it's clear with you. वर्ण के भेद means type of वर्ण. We have categorized वर्ण in two parts. वर्ण के दो भेद होते हैं, स्वर और व्यंजन. अब स्वर वर्ण किसको बोलते हैं? What is स्वर वर्ण? Let's see. स्वर जिन वर्णों को बोलने या लिखने में किसी अन्य ध्वनि की आवश्यकता, सहायता नहीं लेनी पड़े, उन्हें स्वर कहते हैं. Let's explain this. जिन वर्णों को, whatever the word we are saying, if when you are talking that word, or if you are writing, लिखना means writing, if you are talking or writing that word and you don't need any support of any other sound or any other one, then that one will be स्वर वर्ण. How many स्वर वर्ण are there? स्वर वर्णों की संख्या 11 होती है. 11 means 11. This is 11. स्वर वर्ण की संख्या 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Yeah. अ आ ई उ री ए ओ. So what does it mean? That you don't need any help to write E or U, A. I will, when you will talk about Vyanjan, so in that time you will come to know what I want to say. For now actually I'll explain you what does it mean. Suppose in the you have learned that swar or vyanjan, ka kha ga gha gha, that is vyanjan, and a I, that is swar one. So when you are writing e, there is no help, there is no any support or any sound to write this. Or when you are you write o. Okay, when you simply write a, there is no help or no any sound, supporting sound to write this a. And a is, this a is what is, which type of word? This is swar word. Okay, swar. But when you write ka, this ka, this is vyanjan. This is vyanjan one. This needs support of swar. Vyanjan one you can't say or you can't write without support of swar. How? Let me explain you. This ka is equal to ka plus a. When this a come attached to this ka, then it makes complete this curve. Okay, so here to write this Vyanjan ka word, you need the support of this swar word. So that's why it has written that the swar word, that is anything, doesn't need any support. सहायता नहीं चाहिए होती है इनको, किसी और वर्ण की सहायता नहीं चाहिए. But to write व्यंजन or to say व्यंजन, you need support of swar word. Okay, then only you will able to write व्यंजन. So this is the basic difference between swar word and व्यंजन word. नाउ कमिंग टू स्वर के भेद. स्वर के 3 भेद होते हैं: ह्रस्व स्वर, दीर्घ स्वर और प्लुत स्वर. प्लुत स्वर, ह्रस्व स्वर क्या होते हैं? इनके उच्चारण में सबसे कम समय लगता है. इनका नंबर मतलब it need very less time. It need very less time to, when you want to pronounce that word, it will take very less time. These are 4 in number. A, E. This is, I think, a spelling mistake. Here it will be this word, this, not Dirgu. Okay, so this is misprint. And Re. Now Dirg means, Dirg itself means long. So what is the definition of this दीर्घ स्वर? इनके उच्चारण, when you pronounce this स्वर, ह्रस्व स्वर से दुगना समय लगता है. डबल टाइम, दुगना समय means double time. When you, it takes double time for pronunciation. ये 7 हैं, 7. These are 7 in number. ह्रस्व स्वर 4 है and दीर्घ स्वर 7 है. आ, ई, उ, ए, A, O, O. So these are दीर्घ स्वर. Now प्लुत स्वर. इनके उच्चारण में ह्रस्व स्वर से 3 गुना means 3 times. दीर्घ स्वर में 2 गुना 2 times. प्लुत स्वर में 3 गुना 3 times टाइम लगता है. जिस स्वर का उच्चारण प्लुत के रूप में किया जाता है उसके आगे हिंदी की गिनती का अंक 3 लगाया जाता है. So it will be, it take 3 times more time than ह्रस्व स्वर and will add this number 3. Generally these things is added to when you say any mantra during your puja part rituals. There, when you say any month, in these things they are generally added. The best example is Om. Om, Om. Can you say? It's no Om, it's Om. So it takes more time. Now स्वरों की मात्राएं. Here it goes, whatever we say ना, that स्वर and व्यंजन वाला. किसी व्यंजन के साथ स्वर को मिलाते समय स्वर का रूप बदल जाता है. यह बदला हुआ रूप ही मात्रा कहलाता है. What does it mean? किसी व्यंजन के साथ स्वर को मिलाते समय उस स्वर का रूप, स्वर का फॉर्म. When you are adding व्यंजन and स्वर together, the form of स्वर will be changed. That changed form, यह बदला हुआ रूप, that changed form को मात्रा कहते हैं. उसी को मात्रा कहा जाता है. For example, this is k. Okay, this is व्यंजन. Now if, and this is swar A. But if you will combine these together, the form of this swar A is swar, the form of swar will be changed. You can't write like this. It will be wrong. You have to change the form of this swar a. The right thing will be ka plus क पे एकार की मात्रा जाएगी. So it will be k. So k plus a will not be like this. It will be like k. This k is wrong because स्वर का form change हो रहा है. So this changed form is matra. Hope it's clear. So this you have to memorize that a की मात्रा हर्षी दीर्घी harshu, dirguri, o, whatever the matra is there. The important thing is that one question that can be asked that a की मात्रा पृथक रूप में नहीं होती है. This form of swar doesn't have separate मात्रा. अ की कोई मात्रा नहीं होती है. So now we'll go through this table and we'll see that how it explained about the swar and its matra and how it makes a word. ये कैसे एक शब्द बनाता है. First is अ की कोई मात्रा नहीं होती है. As I already explained, अ की कोई मात्रा नहीं होती है. And if you simply see any व्यंजन word, it is combined with ka with halant plus a, then it make complete ka. In general use what we write, and the first word is here. It has mentioned kal, kal, for example. And swar can be used in its mool roop. Swar ka mool roop means original form. Here amrud, the first word, the first अक्षर is there अ है. अ में कोई modification नहीं है. It's in original form. कल, first we'll see कल. See ka. So as I already told you, this is a Vyanjan one. It needs support of swar. So the original word, if you will go for one with shade, then the correct, the hidden part, not correct actually, the hidden part of this is ka plus ka with halant plus a, because in ka there is no matra. Okay, if any matra is there, suppose it's ka, then this will change to a. Okay, as per swar the matra will change. If nothing is there, then it will be simply ka plus a. Now let's see one more word with a na anar. So here it can be divided in three parts. A is a swar one. This is swar one, so it doesn't need any support. So it is simply a plus. Now the second word is na with akar ki matra. You can see this is akar ki matra. So na with halant plus a, na, na, plus the last one is ra. Again in ra there is not any matra, so it will simply write ra with halant plus a. If if there is no matra, then it will be a. If any matra is there, like here na was with akar ki matra, so we'll write na with halant and then akar ki matra. So hope it's clear with you that how it works. And swar one doesn't need any support, but the vyanjan one needs support of swar one. Here na needs support of a and ra needs support of a. So again with a ki matra ka with halant plus a makes kam. Ma, first word is kam, second is am. Let's explain this one also. Kam, kam, kam. Now if you want to go for one with shape, this one ka is a vyanjan one and it is supported by a akar ki matra, so it will be ka with halant plus a. And now we'll see ma. In ma there is no, ma में कोई हेल्प नहीं है, ma में कोई मात्रा नहीं है, तो ma को simply will write ma simply with ma with halant and a. अगर ma में कोई मात्रा होती, if ma would have any matra, then that will replace this a. But in ma there is no matra, so we'll write ma plus a. So this is ka plus a plus ma plus a, kam. Now the second one is am. This one am. This one is so simple. How? Because the first word is swar one, it doesn't need support, so we'll simply write a. Then we go for one which is, now the second one is ma. Ma is a vyanjan and ma doesn't have any matra, so it will be simply ma plus halant plus a. So this is am. Hope it's clear with you, and you can just go through this all. In the one which I'll explain it with more elaborate examples, so that it will be easy for you. So thank you everyone. Hope this video is helpful for you. In the next class I'll explain about this vyanjan one. So see you in the next class. Bye bye. Thank you.